guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create categories and channels on Discord. So this is what a category is and this is what a channel is. So for instance, I want to add in another category, so I'm just going to select this button here. Also, you have to own the server or have the permission to do this, or else you won't be able to do that. So select this arrow and select create category, and for instance I want the category to be gaming, and I'm just going to use create category. Oops, I don't know why there's two. And then in gaming I want to create a channel, so I'm just going to press the create channel button here or here. I like to add it here so it's easier. For instance, I want a voice channel. I'm just going to select the voice one, and then I'm going to name it Valorant, and then create channel. And then I want to add another one, for instance like GTA. Oops. And then create channel. You can also create private channels for admins, for instance. So here I'm just going to create a category and I'm going to name it admin. And then here, I'm going to drag it and move it up here. And then I'm going to create a channel that's admin talk or something like that. And then press create. And you can also add in a text channel that's admin talk as well. Like so. And to delete, just press edit channel here and press delete channel. And I think to delete category, you're just going to right click it and select delete category. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!